Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Khatebe. Ngiphethe host yami la esibili Tumsane. Timen. I'm fit. A bad day for big South African teams fit.
Yeah, it is a bad day. Actually, it's a bad day for isoccer as a whole because ngibone ama-draw amaningi into nje yabo ezingahlangani but ke somehow maybe it's a blessing in disguise for abanye abasahope ukuthi bazohlala ku-top 8 that's South African soccer mfuka baba.
All right, mfethu asiqale nge-Orlando Pirates. 1-1 very heartbreaking. Bonile last 30 seconds sithi ukuthi 3 points vele sabayithathile then equalizer.
Yona I think iPirates yenze a mistake ngokudedela ucoach ahambe before ama-game aphele. Yabona if bebathi the last 2 games bamnikile ucoach was going to be motivation to ama-player and then at least bazi ukuthi whatever that they are doing now sebenzela ucoach but okwamanje akunamuntu engathi bayenzela yena because iPirates already thathe number 2 so angeke ikwazi ukuyehla kuna team ezobathola lapho. So uyabona ukuthi manje at the end of the day ucoach uzofika uzofuna naye ukuthi approve point afuna ukudlalisa nabafana abancane hence ubone ngathi kube nama-changes amaningi goalkeeper kushintshwa abo-goalkeeper nje since like iligi seyizophela.
All right, so do you agree kule nto le yokufielda ama-youngsters njengoba iligi seyizophela nama-player lawo bekwa ama-bench warmer?
Depend ukuthi like what you are gunning for. So for me now, I think ukuthi yes, abantu abangatholi game time, they deserve ukuthi bathole game time. More especially for ama-team njengabo Pirates because they've got nothing to lose at the moment. So ukunikeza laba bantu laba game time at least nabo banikeze hope nyana yokuthi singayenzeka something with the new coach like njengoba sendleleni.
All right, no ngiyazwakala mfethu. Let's move on to Kaizer Chiefs mfethu. Ngokubona kwakho mfethu, what went wrong lapha kule game?
Kaizer Chiefs has been Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't think ukuthi kunento special okumele si expect with Kaizer Chiefs. Firstly, in Nedbank, I take it as it got nothing to do with coach. It has everything to do with players. Some player asibonisile ukuthi wona like afuna ukuyiwina leyo cup le. So kule game lena Chiefs went back to being the Kaizer Chiefs that we know. As like you kept on saying ukuthi I know you are the Kaizer Chiefs lesiyazini. I was so disappointed if goalkeeper azo consider like le goal lela liconsidered because like based on ama saves awayenzile last week and then coming this week then wesazo consider such a silly goal ku-near pole. I wasn't like him. Okay, but Kaizer Chiefs being Kaizer Chiefs.
So if we coach today with Kaizer Chiefs, akhona ama-changes bozowayenza or now bozoya ngasame approach lesibone kule game?
Mina if I was a coach at Kaizer Chiefs from Mukdala, ngumuntu we-positional football. I believe in positional football. So even if noma bangazi bathi team yamedliwa kangakanani but for as long as sikwazi ukucontain ibhola sikwazi ukudlala sidlala ama-short passes because i-height ama-player wethu ayisivumeli nanokuthi sidlala ama-long pass yabo into ezikanjalo. So if sidlala ama-short passes so then that's when sizokwazi ukuthi sipenetrate. So a lot of changes mina bengingawayenza because abantu abakhona ukudlala ama-short passes abantu abane like ukuthi abane-vision abanama-football brains not abo-Mart not abo-Ox yabo but with your likes of abonkosi ngiphile ngcobo abo-Cele I understand ukuthi ulimele that's why maybe like angekho but also I will opt for abantu abanjengabo-Castillo so because of Castillo somehow khona ukuba i-box to box then bayakwazi ukuthi balidlale lelo bhola lelo bakwazi ukuthi bangene eboxini.
Okay, no ngiyazwakala mfethu. Okay, last question. Do you see Kaizer Chiefs clinching that top 8 spot?
It is still possible. I don't know what's happening with Magesi, but it's still possible ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs engahlala kwinto kwi-top 8 because cheaper iqedile ama-game wayo and iyehleli ku-number 8. So if Kaizer Chiefs win the last game and then baya ngaphezulu kwe-cheaper and then also if Kaizer Chiefs win whether bawina ngo-1-0 or so I don't see Marumo Gallants yes iwina ngaboma-7 or like so because bana -13 or something like that. So I think Kaizer Chiefs if they can win the last game of which nayo kunzima ukuthi bangashaya iphulukwane.
No hayi ngiyabonga mfethu hayi namhlanje ibeke yahlala hayi namhlanje ngivumelana nawe mfethu yonke into ekhulumile. No that's it for today bafethu siyabonga kakhulu Timen asivalelisele mfethu.
No hayi sibonga bafethu sicela ningakhohlwa niqhubeke nisubscribe and then ni like ni share nama video wethu bafethu ku YouTube siyabonga.